Heavy-duty soap smooths and moisturizes hands. Uses pumice particles to cut through the toughest grease and grime. Great for mechanics, professionals, hobbyists, gardeners, DIYers, and more. Quickly breaks down glue, dirt, tar, oil, sap, paint, ink, and anything that collects on your hands while working. Leaves a subtle scent after you use it. Top reviews from the United States. Love it and works well. This soap works really well. Getting stuff off regular soap doesn't. My husband and I were painting our duplex and had paint on us, and we used this and it got it off easily. My husband works on his Jeep and it helps clean the grease. I always have a hard time cleaning up after being in the garden, and this soap works really well with that too. We always make sure we have it on hand.